Hey guys, in this video we're reviewing Applyish, a Chrome extension that promises to streamline your job applications by automatically filling forms and generating tailored responses. But is it truly worth your time and money? Let's break it down. Applyish integrates directly into your browser and uses AI to autofill application fields, craft personalized cover letters, and even generate responses to open-ended questions based on your resume and job preferences. It also offers optional pro features where it submits dozens to hundreds of applications on your behalf each month, with plans starting around $4 for basic use and going up depending on volume. On the plus side, Applyish can save significant time and reduce manual effort, neatly organizing your application history with tracking and reporting tools. But there are trade-offs. It works only in Chrome, requires sharing personal resume data, and automation may occasionally miss applications or lack nuanced customization. So, is Applyish legit or a scam? Applyish is a legit tool that indeed automates many tedious aspects of applying to jobs. However, it's not a magic bullet. Effectiveness varies, privacy concerns exist, and it shouldn't replace thoughtful, personalized applications. If you're applying at scale and comfortable using a Chromebook, it can be a helpful productivity boost, but it's not a substitute for human engagement. And that would be all for this review video. Thanks for watching.